Okay, so I asked you to do the 4 questions on 618, which you probably discovered were pretty pathetic. Number 1 says an isotope of oxygen has a mass number of 15. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. How many neutrons are there? I'm hoping you got 7 there. 3 isotopes of uranium have a mass number of 234, 235, and 238. The atomic number of uranium is 92. How many neutrons? Hopefully some higher order math led you to 142, 143, and 146. Number 3, how many neutrons are there in an atom of Mercury isotope Hg200? Take the 80 away and you get 120 neutrons. Oh, and number 4 has a little arrow beside it. Write the symbols for the 3 isotopes of hydrogen. Oh, I wrote this one on the last video. With 0, 1, and 2 neutrons. So it should be 11H, 21H, and 31H. Weren't those tough? All right, and then I asked you to do on page 636, applying concepts, numbers 2 and 3. So number 2, what isotope has the greatest number of neutrons? Uranium-235 or uranium-238? I'm hoping you picked 238. Which is usually larger, A or SET? I'm hoping you picked A because it is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So the only time it's not larger is when they are equal, and that would be for hydrogen. And then under problems, I asked you to do numbers 1 to 4. So an atom of an isotope of magnesium has an atomic mass of 24 U's. The atomic, and so that's really your mass number, right? Remember I said 1 U is really the average weight of a proton and a neutron. So the atomic number is 12. How many neutrons? Should be 12. In an atom of isotope of nitrogen has an atomic mass of 15. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. How many neutrons? Should be 8. List the number of neutrons in an atom of each of these isotopes. So cadmium-112 should have 64. Bismuth 209 should have 126. Bismuth 208 should have 125. Bromium 80 should have 45. Hydrogen 1 should have 0, and argon 40 should have 22. And number 4, find the symbol for the element that are shown in the following, where X is the symbol. So it doesn't matter the top number. The top number is the mass number. What matters is the bottom number, the atomic number. So on the periodic table, it's you would look up the bottom number. So for A, it's 9, and when you look up 9, it should be fluorine. B, it should be americium. C should be neon, and D should be lithium. All right, so those were your homework questions. Woohoo!